Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to learn an important concept in Python called file input and output. So, what is file input and output? So, basically, it allows us to create files, write data into files, read data from files, and append new data into our existing files. So this is very important because real world application always stores data in files like logs, reports and user data. Now let's start with some simple examples. First of all, let's create a file here. File io.py. Okay. Now what example we want to see? First of all, we will see writing into a file. Okay, so for this let's create that program. So file equal open, then we have, suppose we are creating a file number which is demo.txt. Okay, then we will also put w, it is for write or create. Okay, so we will give w. Okay, for now it's okay. Then we will give file dot write, we will give hello python learners. Okay, then we will give file dot write, then we will give this is file io tutorial, then we will give file dot close, then we will give print. What message we will give? Data written successfully. Okay, now here what is happening? Here we are using w mode, which means write mode. Here if the file does not exist, Python will create it automatically, and if already exist, it will overwrite the old data. Finally, we close the file to save changes properly. Now let's execute it. Here you can see data written successfully. So here you can see file.io has been created. Okay, we don't manually need to create this. It has been created automatically. Demo dot text, here it is, demo dot text, hello python learners, this is uh, io tutorial. Okay, so I hope you understand this portion. Okay, now we will see how we reading a file. Okay, how we can read a file. So how we can do that, let's see it. So first of all, file open demo doc, so instead of r we will give read. Okay, then here we will give our content. Okay, content, what we can give? We can give file dot read, then what we can give? We can give print, print we can give file content, then we will give print content. Okay, then file close. Okay, now whatever data that is content that is present in our file, we will read it. Before that, let's clear it and let's run it. So here you can see whatever file content we have, it has been printed. Okay, So whatever content we have here, it is printing here. So I hope you understand this. Then we will move forward into our next task, which is append data to a file. So let's see how we can append data into file. So for that, instead of R, we have to give A to append data. Now here we have to give file dot write. Okay, file dot write. What data we want to insert? This is new append. Okay, this is new append, then line. Okay, this is new append line, and then we can give file close, and then we can run it. So let's check it out. So here you can see in our file this portion has been added. So using append mode, we use A here. Okay, we use A here, and it is used when we want to add a new data without deleting existing content. So this is commonly used in logs and tracking systems. So I hope you understand the concept of file input and output. So guys, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.